Hey Salesforce Hubs, my name is Shruhti MN and welcome to my Salesforce Learning Hub, that is Salesforce Hubs. Today we are diving into Salesforce Flow and TDX, two critical tools that every Salesforce professional should master. Whether you are an admin, developer or consultant, and understanding these can save hours of work, reduce errors and modernize your Salesforce org. I've written a detailed blog where I explain concepts and provide quizzes to test your knowledge, and check it out. The link is in the description below. What is Salesforce Flow? Salesforce Flow is a no-code automation tool that allows you to automate business processes using visual interface. Types of flows are triggered by events. Can interact. Flows are triggered by events, can interact with data, and guide users through screens. Types of flows. Screen flows, interactive flows are users input data. Interactive flows where users input data. Example, onboarding a new employee. Record triggered flows execute automatically when a record is created or updated. Example, assigning leads based on criteria. Scheduled flows run at specific time. Example, send a weekly summary email to sales team. Auto-launch flows triggered by other flows, Apex or external systems. Key features. Decision elements. Add logic like if or else statements. Loops. Iterate through lists of records. Collections. Handle multiple records at once. Integration. Connect with external systems using Apex or APIs. Real example. Suppose a sales rep updates a lead to closed one. A flow can automatically update the opportunity stage and send a congratulatory email to the rep. Create a follow-up task for the account manager, all without writing a single line of code. Flows are human errors compared to manual processes. On my blog, I included a quiz to test your flow skills. Questions range from beginner to advanced. Which flow type should you use for a scheduled automation? Or how do you prevent infinite loops in flows? I also include practical examples such as automating approval processes, sending alerts with specific criteria when specific criteria are met, creating tasks for follow-ups automatically. This goal is not just to memorize, it's to think like a Salesforce automation expert. What is TDX? TDX is Trailhead Develop. When it comes to your Trailhead Developer Experience, TDX is Salesforce modern developer workflow designed to simplify deployment testing and deployment. So, Salesforce CLI command line interface for interacting Salesforce orgs, Scratch orgs, temporarily disposable Salesforce environments for testing and development, version control, track changes, collaborate with teammates, and maintain code quality. How TDX works in practice. You spin up a Scratch org in seconds. Deploy flows, APIs, or other metadata into this org. Test automation or new features in isolation. Once tested, deploy changes to production safely. Benefits. Reduces errors in production, enables team collaboration, and supports CI or CD pipeline, that is continuous integration or continuous deployment. Imagine building a complete flow that automates case escalation using TDX. You create a Scratch or deploy a flow and test various scenarios, confirm everything works, push the changes to production confidently. How Flow and TDX complement each other. Flow handles automation, TDX handles safe deployment and collaboration. Scenario. You design a flow that updates multiple records based on a trigger. Without TDX, you risk breaking production orgs or losing changes. With TDX, you test in Scratch or track changes with it, deploy to production with confidence. Think of Flow as the engine and TDX as the control system, ensuring smooth operation. For Salesforce Flow, the best practices are always document your flow, use subflows for reusable logic, and TDX as control system, ensuring smooth operation. And for TDX, use version control for all changes, keep scratches orgs clean and temporary, automate testing with CI or CD pipelines. If you want to level up your Salesforce skills, make sure you read my blog for detailed example and quizzes, like, share and subscribe to my channel for deep Salesforce tutorials. Experiment with flows and TDX. Practice is the key to mastery. And remember, Flow plus TDX, smarter automation, safer deployment, and more efficient Salesforce org. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and stay curious, stay learning, and I'll see you in the next video.